Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today our topic is what comes after the number. So let's get started. Okay, tell me what comes after 7. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What comes after 7? 8. We will write 8 here. What comes after 2? 1, 2, 3. What comes after 2? 3. We will write 3 here. Let's count together what comes after 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What comes after 9? 10. We will write 10 here. What comes after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write 5 here. Let's count together what comes after 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write 7 here. Yes, what comes after 1? 1, 2. Yes, what comes after 1? 2. We will write 2 here. Our last number is 8. What comes after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 8? 9. We will write 9 here.